In this video, we're going to be looking at the good morning. So the good morning involves having a barbell on the back and hinging at the hips. So we keep the knees relatively straight, what we refer to as soft knees. We can also perform the good morning in the Zercher position to the front, which is a great variation, and even vary the stance. So we can go wider, we can go narrow with the stance, or we can even perform it from a split stance position, which works the hamstring of the straight leg intensely. Now, if you want specificity to the squat, I recommend you perform it from your squatting stance. In this video, we're going to look at the standard good morning with the barbell on the back. Now, if you feel like the barbell is rolling forwards, obviously the torso is coming forwards and it may feel like it's going to come over the head, then you're not hinging correctly. Now, you can have the barbell in the high or low bar position. Low bar, although it can be uncomfortable, can be easier because the barbell is closer to the hips. Now we need to sit right back with the glutes, hinge properly so that the barbell is pushing down the back rather than feeling as if it's going to roll forwards. So we'll take a quick look at the exercise. Just note there is a variation of this lift called a squat good morning where we increase the knee bend as we go. And it almost looks like a poorly performed squat, but it is a great lift to maximize the engagement of the posterior chain, but also get the quads into play. So let's have a quick look. Set up as I would for the back squat. Short walkout. In my squatting stance, or it could be slightly narrower to work the hamstrings a little bit more. So in this position, sit back with the hips. So my torso is parallel or just above. Engage the posterior chain to come back up to the starting position. So a couple more reps. Once you finish, walk it back in. So if we want to maximize the engagement of the hamstrings, we want to keep the knees straight or with a soft knee bend like so. However, if we increase that a little bit, it can help us to lift heavy loads, and we refer to that as a squat good morning.